Alright guys, today I'm doing an unboxing of this shrimp cracker and doing a quick taste test for you guys. So this shrimp cracker I actually got in Japan. As you can see, I brought it back. It is, I don't know, it's all in Japanese. So, but these were only sold at the fish market. So, and they're famous for these shrimp crackers. They're actually quite good. I actually had a sample of it at the market. So I'm gonna open this up and show you what it looks like. So if you ever go to Japan or places in Asia, you might see these type of crackers. I think they might sell them in other places as well. So these are pretty famous. So let's open this up. That is really safe on there, so that slides off. So there it is. You guys recognize that writing? There you go. That is what the fish crackers look like. Look at that. Nice little packaging. Now these crackers were really neat. I also saw these, not this one brand, but there's another brand that you can get at a duty-free shop as well. They have different flavors there. This was only one flavored. And take a look. This is what they look like. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's opened. These are what they look like. So, yeah, they look a little different. These ones were more red, more pebbly looking, as you can see. The ones at the duty-free shop were more like rice crackers, like literally rice crackers. So there it is. Super crunchy, full of shrimp flavor. Like if you ever bought like those shrimp crackers that you can get at like Asian grocery stores, those little things that look like those veggie sticks. These ones have like 10 times the amount of shrimp flavor to them. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. And you can get them in usually, you can probably get it locally as well in Asian markets. So, and if you have any questions, like I said, post them below.